Good morning guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day. I guess you could say maybe like an ill edition or sick edition. I don't know what I'm going to call this yet, but I just thought I would do a what I eat in a day video, since a lot of people really enjoy watching those videos and I personally really enjoy filming them for you guys. I kind of know a few like things to do or remedies as such to do, because I don't know if you guys know this, but I used to work in a pharmacy, so I kind of know like what to take or what to do when you're ill. So fingers crossed maybe this will help you. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys what I do and what I eat. It's now breakfast, so I thought I would bring you guys along with me and let's have breakfast. It's now 9:23. I just got up, I kind of freshened up, washed my face, did the normal morning routine, put my moisturizer on and stuff like that. One advice I would give you when you're not feeling well is get up from the place that you're sitting on. So obviously you're going to be laying in bed when you're not well, but the first thing I like to do when I'm not well is get up and actually do the bed and just kind of get up from the same place that you were sitting on, open some windows, get changed, and actually get up and do your morning routine. If you just lay there and just like feel sorry for yourself, then you're gonna honestly feel worse. So for me, what helps me is getting up, do my morning routine, wash my face, and start breakfast. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is we're gonna go and have breakfast. Okay, so one thing I like to do when I'm not feeling well as such, as you know, when you wake up your throat is like super killing you, but a really good thing to have for your throat is lemon and ginger. So I just picked this up from my local supermarket, and this is just apparently London's finest tea. It's lemon and ginger, and it's good and it's soothing for your throat. So I'm gonna have that with some boiling hot water. And then for breakfast today, I feel like having toast. I think that helps me when I'm not feeling well as such. So I'm gonna have a one whole meal toast with, I guess, some Marmite. I love Marmite. I don't know if you guys like it. It's a love-hate relationship, but I absolutely love Marmite, and it's something I look forward to have in the morning. So guys, what I have after breakfast is these two what they call multivitamins. So I got multivitamins and onions, and I also have the multivitamins and minerals, and I take one of each every single day after breakfast, and they give you so much energy and it helps make your body feel a lot better, less tired and stuff like that. So I highly recommend having any sort of multivitamins. I lack in iron, so I need iron. So this is my breakfast. This is what I'm gonna have. I've also filled up my cup of water. So this is basically 500 ml of water. So I fill this up. I'll fill it up a couple of times during the day. So it's also so important to drink plenty of fluid when you're not feeling well. So make sure you drink loads of water. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. I've got my multivitamins. I'm going to leave the tea bag in to infuse or defuse or just make it a bit more stronger. Got my Marmite sandwich here, and yeah, this is going to be my breakfast. And it's now 9:30 and I'm going to dig in and enjoy. I just finished filming, as you can tell from the tripod behind me, and the state of my room. I just filmed like a kind of a haul slash kind of, you'll just have to wait and see, I guess. If the time that video is live, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock now and I'm getting really peckish, so I thought I would take out my snack bar. This is a Naked cashew cookie, gluten-free, dairy-free snack bar, as long as that sounds. Yeah, I'm gonna munch on that now because I'm getting quite peckish. And I've been drinking a ton of water, and I've just had some ibuprofen, 2 tablets, because I've got a slight headache and I've got some fever. So yeah, gonna tidy the mess and the gunk in my room now, and I will get back to you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna munch on this now because man's hungry actually. Okay, so I'm just about to nip out and grab some lunch because I've got nothing at home. So I'm just gonna drive down to the local Asda. To get over flu, the best thing is have soup and maybe like a baguette on the side or something. We'll see, not too sure. And tomato soup always seems to be the best one. So I'm gonna drive down to Asda, grab some soup, get back and make that. It's currently like 1:30, so
this is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the night.
okay, so home now, and I've got the carrot and coriander soup. This is like my favorite soup from Asda. I love this. It tastes so good. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna cut up some baguettes and have that. So yeah, this should be my lunch today. I've also got my water. I've refilled it up like 3 times now, so yeah, drinking plenty of water as well, which is so important. So soup's ready. Gonna have my soup, water and some baguettes, and then just chill. And then I've got a bunch of editing to do later, so the joys. But yeah, I'm gonna dig in now. Smells so... Okay, so this clip you're watching right now is the second day, the next day. I didn't really vlog yesterday because I went to my mum's after dinner, after lunch, and I showed you guys I had like soup and stuff like that, so that really helped with my throat and stuff. But yeah, then we went to my mum's and we went for like a little catch up, so we had like tea and cake and stuff like that. I went for 1 slice of cheesecake, which is very naughty, and I had some tea, and then when I went home, got changed and got ready for bed till I came home, it was like 10 and stuff. So that's all I had for what I ate in a day. That's kind of everything I had. I know when you're not feeling well, you just don't feel like eating at all, and I totally get that. But one thing I will say is try to force yourself to eat at least something, or try to also have plenty of vitamin C. Vitamin C is good to like fight off the kind of infection slash sickness that you're going through. So have like your multivitamins, have like fresh orange juice, it's really good. So, and also do like some sort of stretching, so like the morning stretches, get your body like kind of moving. Don't just sit there in one place even though you feel like doing that all day. Trust me, I'm like in my last kind of like recovery stage. So like, you know, when you have phlegm in your throat and stuff like that, yeah, I'm in that stage right now, so it's disgusting. But yeah, just thought I would be honest with you guys. I know, TMI, too much information, but it's cool, it's cool. We're honest here with you guys. So yeah, that's kind of my little advice I would give you guys, is do those little things, and honestly you'll see yourself recover in no time whatsoever. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned in this video, drink plenty of water. Just drink as much as you can. 2-3 liters of water a day is good because your body needs to stay hydrated. And just kind of relax, get plenty of sleep. Even if you don't feel like sleeping, you know when you're not feeling well, you just like, your nose is blocked and your ears are blocked and you just don't feel like sleeping, try to sleep. Either way, try to get plenty of sleep. Reschedule everything. If you've got a meeting, or if you've got work or whatever, just try to reschedule everything and get plenty of rest and just sleep for a good couple of hours, and honestly you'll feel a lot better. So yeah, that's kind of my few tips that I would give you guys to get over a flu. I hope everyone is feeling better, and if you are going through flu, don't worry, I feel you, because I've had the flu for like 8 days straight. Like today's the 8th day actually, so I totally get what you're going through, and just know that there's an end to it, hopefully, inshallah. So don't worry about it too much, or don't stress about it too much. Everyone's gonna get flu, especially this time of year. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today is, well, time you guys watch this actually, it'll be Saturday, so I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. If you guys are, enjoy it, embrace it, because I wish I was out there having fun, but I will soon, inshallah. So nevertheless, it's cool. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one.